Good morning, everyone. Welcome in.
Want to do any travel this weekend?
Good morning, Team Bull. For those just joining the Zoom,
What's up, bro?
what's up? Good morning.
Travel with you.
Good morning, Greg. You said you're going skiing this weekend, Jada?
I'm supposed to travel down to Florida, but I don't want to go.
You know what I usually do when I don't want to do something?
What?
I said, you know what I usually do when I don't want to do something?
You don't go.
I don't do it.
The weather's gonna be terrible and rainy too.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Appreciate you for watching the recap. I don't think many people watch it, honestly. It's wild to me because you know how many people tuned into our lives yesterday between everything? Like 5,000 plus. Oh well.
All right, let's see what they give us today. This is gonna be a interesting day with how it
MJS, I appreciate that. Using code Grizzly for Apex.
It'll be a very interesting day. Very, very interesting.
I have one bounce area on watch today, Team Bull, and it's at 26,100 area. Quite a ways off, but if we get down there, I'm gonna watch it for a possible long entry.
Watching for a long entry, is that what you said?
26,100 area. We're quite a ways off.
Yeah, we're a hot minute. Honestly, with how expansive this pre-market range is, though, it's not impossible.
No, definitely not.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Make sure you follow. I go live every morning. The market opens in like 7 minutes or so. Plenty of time to ask questions, share the live, all that good stuff. Appreciate all the likes already on TikTok. It's already moving. 2.5K. Good morning. Christian, I'm just looking for a bounce around that 26,100 area, somewhere in there. Other than that, we're just going to do what we usually do. You know, I don't see anything other than that. We got to keep in mind we have FOMC meeting today, massive day. So we'll see what the market gives us this morning. Let's be extra picky. So. Be careful with Tradovate, everyone. I tested my desktop Tradovate. It seems to be working right now. Okay, I tried one MNQ earlier. Got in, let it go for a minute, closed it. It worked. So I lost $6.50 testing it out for you all. If it's not working, if Tradovate's not working on your phone, I bet a lot of people will not be alive because of it this morning. But if it's not working from your phone, try your desktop. Okay, are you saying it's not working for prop firms, correct? Is that what you're saying? Tradovate's great. Thinkorswim's good too, but if you're trading in futures, Thinkorswim is definitely not the way. Commissions are super high. Or, let me rephrase that. They used to be high. I'm not sure what they are now. And the margin rates are insane. What's going on? I'm on TradingView. This is TradingView. We're looking at NQ 5-minute. The indicator is my own indicator on the screen, but we're going to try to catch a winning trade today, even though FOMC is later today. We got to be careful. Part of me wants to push it some and lock in a nice 5-figure week, but I know better than to try to push it today. So, gonna be patient. Tradovate seems to be having issues. I don't know what people are, if they're talking about personal or prop firms. Okay, so it's for the prop firms. Tradovate's not working good for prop firms, but personal accounts are working. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. I haven't confirmed that. I'm just reading comments. So All right, everyone, share the live. It's time to roll. Let's lock in. No forcing trades. Let's do this right. Let's talk about every setup beforehand. All right, everyone, let's do this. Good luck.
Let's go. Let's make some money today. Tradovate still frozen.
It's frozen on the prop firms, right? Because my personal is working. It's not working for the props, but my personal account is working.
You know? Now mine loaded, but it's frozen. Yeah.
Your personal or prop?
Prop.
Yeah, personal is working. Pull it up.
Tradify.
It's interesting. I'm afraid to take a trade. Everyone said it's not working. I tried one M and Q earlier, and it worked. So
And you lose $6.
$6.50 to be exact.
And bro's gonna go broke.
No stake today after that loss.
Oh, that's weird. My cash account actually is moving. It's very weird.
Yeah, cash account seems to be good to go.
Huh. That's odd. It's very weird. Yeah, if you're on props, they're not working, but if you have cash account and Tradovate, they are working. Moving. It's weird. Very interesting. All right, let's go ahead and mark out our pre-market high. And our pre-market low. Market high.
If you have any questions, everyone, just drop them in the chat. I do my best to answer. Share the lives. If you see a setup you like, let's talk about it.
Now we wait. We stay patient. We trade smart. We trade safe. We wait for our April 7th.
If you can't trade this morning, your Tradovate's not working for your prop firm, just hang out, learn, ask questions, all that good stuff. If it's messing up, don't try to trade. Just wait till it's fixed.
Today, right? Tesla has earnings today, right?
That's interesting. My Tradovate's working. My personal. That's awesome, Ryan. Congrats. I feel like I get more pumped about you reaching payouts and passing evals than you all do. Awesome, Jay. Everyone try refreshing your Tradovate, your props, all that stuff. I'm seeing some people saying it's working now. May not be for everyone.
Nope.
All right, just making sure.
And Grizzly, you got everyone's hopes up.
What a letdown.
What a letdown. Well, good thing for us, guys, we don't trade the first 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, they're not supposed to cut rates today, right? I believe they're supposed to stay the same.
Oh, I just realized why Tradovate's down this morning. I just found the reason. Okay, that makes sense. They wouldn't have been decided to identify as Project X.
Yeah, that's it.
Their pronouns are Project X. Oh,
I think we see more cuts this year.
I think
Madman,
definitely so.
TikTok, please.
Apparently nobody else does. At least I make myself laugh. Yep, thanks. Thanks to the three of you that laughed. It's very much so appreciated. Thanks. It's my personal account. Lefty.
Madman, are you around?
Boo, 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 boo.
You see the comments? I think I got them all blocked. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. I was talking about on TikTok, Madman. They kept a bunch of bots come into the chat trying to get people to click some weird stuff. Make sure you follow TikTok. I go live every single morning for you all.
Yeah, we're here.
Justin, let your accountant handle all that. I don't like to answer questions like that because my accountant does all that for me. So I don't want to give you bad information. Good morning, Courtney. Welcome in. What's up, everyone? How we doing, TikTok? Anyone awake over there? Say yes if you all can hear me. Let's get the lives rolling. All right. YouTube, you all can hear me well? Is Greg talking? I can't hear him well. All right.
All right, let's see what they get us today. See what we get, fellas.
We sweep the overnight low. Did we get enough liquidity to push up to pre-market high? Pick up enough. Yeah, Tradovate's having issues this morning. Some people's are working, some people's are not. If yours is not working, please do not try a trade. Just be patient, ask me questions, hang out. This is one of them days where discipline's gonna pay you a lot more. So my trading view is working. Is it off? 238. Mine, everything on my side's working. I can barely hear Greg. I guess it's just I need to turn up my volume.
Okay, what about now? Testing.
You still you sound. I can hear you. You just sound low. You know.
Tradovate's frozen for all props.
It's frozen for all props, is what Jaden just. I bet prop firms are hating this right now at being FOMC.
Yeah, right.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. They're devastated.
Devastated. Probably losing more money today than I'll make all year.
Got to reset a bunch of people's accounts.
We swept that overnight low and pushing up now. I wonder if we get pre-market high. Similar to yesterday.
Now I want to see a retest defend to the balance. Go down. Go down a little bit more. Come on.
All right, what was I gonna say? Oh, I have some accounts to give you all today, even though it's not working. Hopefully, we may have to wait till tomorrow for me to do the giveaway if Tradovate not working at the end of this live. But I have some Tradify accounts for you all.
Senor.
I got some Tradify accounts to give away.
What? What do you mean? What? Oh.
But I don't.
How come?
I guess we could still do the live at the end of this, okay? Or the giveaway at the end of this, okay? I was gonna say we wait till tomorrow's live, but I can just give you all the codes, and you can just wait until Tradovate's working again for the prop firms.
I haven't decided. What's good, team ball?
So the scenario is working. We go to fight 2. I was pressing the retest.
Warrior, I probably gave you more than anyone I have than anyone else in the chat. I don't know. How many have I gave you, Warrior? Be honest.
It was a good confirmation. The recovery of the box. The recovery of the fight 2.
Just stick around to the end. If you all want one, I'll give some away. I think I have 4 or 5 I can give away today.
All the props are, all the Tradovate props, excuse me, are down right now. Tradovate will not work to trade.
If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. We got plenty of time. No, Dan, I'm giving away Tradify accounts today at the end of the lives. I've already drunk all my tea almost. I've drank all of my tea. What are you all sipping on this morning? Coffee, tea, beer? I'm playing.
Go down. It was a retest.
Keep telling this market to go down. Just green whole.
Oh, I know the odds are like, there's a very high probability they leave rates unchanged today.
Retest.
It's not listening. It's not listening.
Justin, that's awesome. I appreciate that.
It's not behaving.
Bullish or bearish divergence will show up right here if it happens. Kind of
Just
hoping we don't
remind you,
have
this is your-
no bearish divergence today. They've
Your
been
chance. This is your day.
kind of weird the last couple of days with all the data, the way things are this week with big earnings,
Focus, everybody.
FOMC.
If you're thinking about forcing a trade, doing something against your system, trading out of boredom, Revenge, tilt. Remember DOD.
The 15-minute range is in, everyone. We can look for a trade.
Remember DOD when that feeling creeps up. So you fight it, that's how you win long term.
Nice. Creatine with collagen peptide. I like it. Nothing wrong with that after a graveyard shift. Yes, code Grizzly, all caps. What did I have? Well, first I had a pre-workout. Then I had a pull day at the
So
gym.
you had this aggressive 5-minute candle up.
Then I made a protein shake with 50 grams of protein, some glutamine, banana, oats. Now I'm drinking tea. Sometimes I just don't feel like eating of a morning, you know. Shake's easier to get down. Five-minute ZT. People have been swearing by the 15-minute divergences. I have not been using it because I focus on the 5-minute mainly. I manage my trades the same way every day. We trim, we move our stop to entry, we hit our next price target, we trim. Sometimes we move it up into profits. We just let the runners run until it hits our final price target or pulls back to our stop. Very straightforward the way I trade at least. I do not. I always work out fasted of a morning CMS. What a sell-off there. Whenever you if you have evals, if they hit a renewal date, you'll get charged again. Original, they're having Tradovate's having issues. I don't know when it will be fixed. If your Tradovate's not working properly, don't try to take a trade this morning. Mine's working. Depends if you pay the lifetime, boss DJ. What prop firm? Give me some details. $301. Jesus, what a candle. Nick, have I get Nick D on TikTok. Have I gave you an account before? I can't remember. I'll do the giveaway towards the end of the live. I'm going to lock in here. I'm watching for a possible trade. I'm not in a trade. I was considering shorts, but I've not made up my mind yet. I'm gonna have to wait till we get out of this range here. If we'd had a little more volume on that previous 5-minute candle, it would have been a no-brainer for me. You know what I mean? You see what I'm talking about? If it had been a little higher than the previous, I would have taken shorts right in this area. And a better close. I don't like how we went back up above that point of control. Another thing worth noting. Tradovate. My Tradovate's working. I'm going to try it today. Seems like they're starting to work again. I said that earlier and let some people down. You can check and see if it's working now. Whew. I don't use a fib, Ashley. I am not the one to ask about that. Only time I use them for finding price targets above all-time highs. Or just if I need to find the 50% on a candle, you know. 50% retracement area on a candle. This price action it's almost like we have FOMC later today. You know what I mean? Nope, I do not. Steve, are they really filing for bankruptcy? Or was that just, I know it's a joke, but. Yeah, I know we do. It was a joke. I know we have FOMC today. I was saying this, sums up the price action we're seeing. My Tradovate working. It's still on my screen at least. Everything seems to be moving right. Just a minimum 1-to-1, honestly, for most trades. Ideally 1.5, you know, like the trade we caught yesterday. Not that I remember all of it because I forget trades the next day, but it had a good RR. Solid R to R.
Trading props, Tradavate's down.
All right, what are we doing here, Jada? Oh.
I mean, right now I lean upside. Clearly, that's where prices heading. We're above 50%. We're above market low and 2-minute low. But I have no setup.
I tried one M and Q earlier and it
Probably
worked on
trade
my
till,
side.
Like for an hour or so, not hour 15.
Are you going live for FOMC?
I don't know if I am, bro.
It's supposed to be uneventful. I think it'd be a big waste of time. I say that and it rips. Has anybody taken a trade yet in Team Pool?
No.
No trades?
I did. I traded my banana into my stomach. Exchange. I got to drink coffee and become paid up. That was my trade of the day.
I'm drinking some tea again this morning.
Fair trade. I went from banana boy to pay down.
Drinking the elderberry tea again outside daily. You definitely want your win rate to be above 50%, Justin. I see what you're saying. I've tried multiple different ways in trimming, and this just, for my strategies, this is what works best for me. A lot of times what I'll do, everyone, and it's not something you can always call or whatever, but let's say we push up, right? And let's say we miss our price target by a few points. We come back down to entry. I'll take some of my size off a lot of times there to lower my risk. Or maybe just get out completely. Some things that help with the...
It spikes cortisol aggressively. Like, I'm okay with it below cortisol spiking. I think it's actually good for you.
Nice, outside daily.
Focused. Gene. Oh, thanks, guys. I appreciate the birthday wishes. It's also Grizzly's birthday today.
Yeah, right. People wish me birthday all year, I believe.
Thanks, guys. This price action's terrible right now. The actual fun fact.
My birthday's in May. Jaden and I have the same birthday. He's just joking.
Oh, okay. Grizzly and I do have the same birthday. In all seriousness.
Jaden's just a little bit older.
5, 6.
Wait, I won't see it noon today.
That was so funny, wasn't it, Justin?
Well, actually, our birthday.
You all see? Did you all see my
I'm not
Instagram
excited
story?
for birthdays, guys.
That was hilarious.
2, 3, 2, manage. 2, 5, 6, manage.
Hello, AD. Welcome in. There's just no trade to be made yet, everyone. Just be patient. I see you all trying to force trades over there. Don't do it.
Advice or opinion. My oldest, who is 16, wants to learn how to trade with me. Shout out your kid. So I have been watching the Teambull family YouTube videos.
Ooh. I can't get my sauna set up. I gotta get my brother to come help me. It's a 2-man operation. It's massive. I'm not about to hurt my shoulder again, neck, so I can't work out. So I'm gonna wait. Keep in mind, everyone, we got FOMC later, so it's not gonna be your typical price action today. And we haven't closed below point of control. You all see it? Let me adjust the screen for you, YouTube. Maybe you see it a little better there. See how we haven't closed below this? Since we made that move back up here. I'm the only one that trades in my family, Ryan. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every single morning. And yes, you can share the live. Two of my brothers are doctors. Well, I think one's a PA. Let's see here. Perfect time for questions, everyone. Appreciate it, Thomas. I hope we don't stay inside this 15-minute range all morning. No setup right now. Mr. Ray, man. This is my indicator on the screen. Personal one. It has everything that you see on the screen, but the volume sticks at the bottom. When I look for pullbacks, how do you determine when you want to take it? I only take trades at key levels with confirmation, the confirmation that we look for every day together. It sounds simple, but it really is that simple. It's not simple to wait and be patient every day. It's not easy at all to control your emotions. But my trading style is very simple, easy to learn. Who you got, Terry? Who you got for Super Bowl? Yeah, it is. Tradavate's down for a lot of people. Mine's working though. Yes, it adjusts when there's a new higher volume point for the session, current session. Yeah, Seahawks. I don't know if there's any hope for the Titans at this point, Jackson. They've been letting me down for so many years. What determines key levels? I'm talking about the key levels you see on the chart, like the supply and demand, pre-market high, low, stuff like that. Support and resistance, all that good stuff. You're still stuck in the trade? Hopefully, if it's on is it on a prop? Maybe they'll, since everything's down, maybe they'll make it right. I don't know. Don't hold me to that, but hopefully they make it right. Yeah, I'd say they're covered up with tickets and trying to help everyone. First close below point of control, everyone. could set us up for a trade here if we push down, close below this pre-market low. Did Greg just take a trade? Did he take a losing trade? You're welcome. We're being patient, everyone. I think we'll get a trade still. We're heading down into possible trade territory, but we need volume to confirm on this type of setup for sure. This breakout candle, I'm not so much worried about the 15-minute range as I am the pre-market low here. So I'm watching the pre-market low. If we get a strong close down here for a retest of that. What is that 15-minute range low? Let me look here. So like 213. You guys are crushing it. TikTok has 20 or 30,000 likes. That's insane. I wish I could just give everyone a free account in the live. It'd be cool if I could do that. I should talk to somebody. I got a couple people, have a couple connections. I could see what I could do. That'd be awesome, though. I'm looking for shorts up here. I'm watching. Anybody in a trade?
No, you looking for shorts?
Yes, I'm watching for
Yeah.
shorts here.
Oh, I'm watching for it too. It's just risky.
It is risky. We had decent, not crazy good volume on the previous, but decent.
Yeah. We had that pre-market low, but we're above 15-minute low.
Let's see where we at. Point of control. I'm gonna try a small position of shorts on MNQ here. You feel me? My Tradovate working? Yes. Everything seems to be working on my side. My stop is set at 262. If it hits it, oh, now we got a bullish divergence.
I'm trying to piece of shorts with you, right here.
I like
piece
it.
Shorts up there, guys.
That's a good
48.
entry there at that point of control as well.
48 with my stops at my stops up at 64. Yep, so 48 stops at 64. It's not bad, only 16 points of risk.
I would like to have my average in the 40s as well, but I'm gonna go with what I got.
Technically, I could trim when we get down to the 20s.
I think you'll get low day out of this, man.
That was a nasty entry up there if we can continue down.
Yeah, right at the opening print and point of
Oh
control.
my gosh, that was great. We're at 1-1. I'm not trimming either. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop to 55. So the high of that candle. So I have literally. I now have 7 points of risk on this.
Honestly, I want low a day before I consider trimming this. You all do as you would like. I think we could have a decent trade here, so.
I'd like to see the rest run.
If anybody's in this trade with me, my first trim's gonna be low a day, just so it's clear.
I'd like to see the rest run, but we'll see.
I actually got filled at 26 234. I bought in market. Got a little bit of a bad fill, but we'll go with it. I would rather my average on these shorts be in the 40s, but yeah, just hang out. If your Tradovate's not working, ask some questions. Hang out. I'm trading light today. I'm not going to make a ton of money or lose a ton of money either way. So. Low a day is the bottom of this candle right here. 205 area. But this bullish divergence may try to stop us out. I do not, Wes. Nothing wrong with it, if that's what you prefer. What's Netflix at? I haven't looked. I own a little bit. I meant to add more in the lower 80s. I think I missed that. What's it at now? Tradovate's not working for prop firms, everyone. Do not try to trade on them. You're just losing yourself money. They're down right now, for the most part. Just losing some money. My average right now on Netflix, I think, is 95. I have a very small position of Netflix, so. Low days where I trim. Where should our stops be at now, everyone? Let's talk about it. Where do you think we should put our stops at now that we push down? Push down looks like we could possibly stop out. What would invalidate this for me? If we hit, what is that candle? Above VWAP would invalidate it for me. 5-minute close above, or I'm gonna keep a hard stop there at the 264 area. I'm sticking with the original plan here, everyone.
Me too. My stops are at 54. Come on. Come on.
Just rip down. You know, it wants to.
Just thinking about it. Just thinking about it.
If someone's oversized on this is a great place to take a little risk off.
Side in the low 20s. Stop's still at 54. This guy's took shorts at 48. Stops at 54, so we'll have a nice little sushi day. He get stopped. Took some off the low for like 28. As always, I had hard stops in above level 54. So if we go above this level right here, guys, above this candle high, I would have stopped out for the rest. Green trade regardless. I'd rather see us get down to 200s first. Stops at 54. The target is 200.
Appreciate
Going
that.
lower.
Thomas,
One
Nick,
lower,
everyone, you
lower.
are crushing it. Josh, all the lights.
Come on the lower thread. Alright guys, it's a good spot to de-risk.
Give us 205. Come on.
We can get a nice close down here, that'd be great.
Get past this overnight low.
Yep. 200. What's your average, Grizzly?
It's the same. I haven't added 234. On Tradovate, actually, I mean, you could start with like 2K, but 5K if you want to trade, you know, more than a couple MNQ.
Come on. Give us lower. Almost 30 points from entry. 16-point risk for 30 points a game. Tell me that's not fire, baby.
I won't low a day, everyone.
Oh.
I'm going to be stubborn. It may cause me a losing trade, but I won't low a day.
Alright, guys. This is a safe place in Team Bull. Who's got fun while they couldn't take that trade with Grizzly and myself?
You just triggered so many people at once.
Like, let's just find them a winning trade when they can't trade.
Yeah.
This will be an interesting poll. This will be an interesting poll. Curious. We're letting this play out. Stop should be at break even. Now. How many of you guys took this trade in a live account? Were able to execute it? You guys took this on a live account. Talk. How much y'all open your live accounts? You guys took this on your live account. How much do you guys make? Who's all taking on live? Who's all trading live accounts here? You took this trade in your live account. How much did you make? 200, 96, 700, 412, 200. This baby, that's why I keep telling y'all. Let's do it. 80, 100.
I'm moving my stop to entry, everyone, on this trade. I know I haven't trimmed, but I'm not playing around with this price action. If we push back up that pre-market low, I'll be out at my entry. It's either now or never. Either a winning trade or break-even trade. Everyone understand what I'm saying?
We vote now.
234.50. I'll be out. Look for another trade.
Just have them too. I love seeing you guys post your live account gains. I love seeing you guys post your game section. This looks good. Get it out. This looks real good.
Yeah, I'm not playing around. If it hits this, I'll be out, everyone.
Stops at 238 now.
I'm out.
238.
Break even. I'm not playing around with this.
240 actually. 240.50.
It'll probably rip down now that I'm out, but I'm not playing around with this price action here. It's not I'm not seeing anything saying we're gonna close below this overnight low yet.
I'm still in for what it's worth. 240.50. You go 240, I'm out. of that previous 5 minute. If you guys look at the screen share, of this previous 5 minute candle high. Right here. I'd like to see us go lower. We'll take that though, baby. Come on. Die.
I'm still rooting for you all that's in this trade. I just had to get out.
Get some symphony.
You gotta know when to hold them. I think someone said that before
What,
me,
Gene?
but
So funny.
I hope it still prints for those of you that are still holding. I'm just very, very picky on FOMC days. It's gonna print after I sewed. That's hilarious. It's alright. There's another setup here.
We want more. We want more.
I sewed so you all could get low a day.
Let's go, baby. Push it down. Come on. We want low a day. 38 points so far. If we get my price target, that'll be over a 50-point trade. We've launched 200. Over a 50-point trade. Look, you guys, I'm done playing. I am done playing with these market makers. DOD is the system, the way.
Is the big order still setting at 200? Yeah, I had to mute so we could lock in here. That is unfortunate, but it's okay, everyone. I'm happy with my decision there. Nice. Ooh, this high volume candle's good. This could give us a better entry anyways. 12 seconds. Alright, pull back to this area up here. I'm going to try shorts again. If we pull back. Afraid to unmute Team Bull right now.
I'm gonna stop it down and keep it riding.
Real quick.
That's what we wanted to see.
Real quick, Team Bull. I'm watching for another setup here. This pull back for shorts. We got the high volume candle coming out of the range, so we could actually see.
Beautiful, beautiful trade, guys.
I'm gonna start a position here and add to it the range high.
That looks like a beautiful candle. Yo, what's that? If you set,
What's that
your
right?
triggers,
I'm in range
you
low,
know,
230.
Let's see here. All right.
Yeah, I am. I'm getting in a trade here.
What a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys.
All right, I started my position here on shorts. I left room to add at 213. Stop 236.
18 hundo on the day.
236 is my stop.
7,000 of the week so far. Live account.
Look at the shorts too. Shorts.
My average is 26,199.
That order side of my show looks decent. I'm done for the day.
And there was a push away.
All right. I have a reward for our live account traders.
All right, everyone. Stop is at 236 now.
This is a setup I'd actually watch for tip them.
It could stop me out, but this is a legit setup, everyone. It looks good. It is FOMC. If it stops me out, I apologize, but it's a good setup. Do not go super heavy. I hope what I hope doesn't happen here. I hope the volume doesn't pick up on this candle, closes it back above that pre-market low, then climbs to pre-market high. That's the scenario we do not want. My average is 207, everyone. Stop 236. If it hits it, I'm gonna be done for the morning. What 237? 236, 237.
And sure, that was 48. I entered live with you guys at 248 as my fill. My stop was at 64. My price target was 200. Took my first de-risk in the low 20s. And turned it the way down. Final price target was 200. Sold the rest down there. I don't know if I'm gonna. If I'm first trade tomorrow morning, honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna go to Miami. To be completely honest, I really don't want to go at all. Might be Debbie Downer and cancel. The introvert in me is coming out. I don't want to go.
I can relate to that, man. My life story.
I hate Miami, dude. I really can't stand it. Maybe for like 2 days. Sunny and nice.
All right, Team Bull, you all know where my stop is. If it hits it, I will be out. You don't have to ask. If you hit 237, trade will be over.
Impressione onesta.
Low a day is we're all trim. 190.
Done enough FOMC day.
Well, no,
Yeah,
actually,
it
that's
looks
not
like you
right.
wanna
Let
go
me
and
see.
test that low day.
Do some math here. 207. Actually, it'd have to be in the 80s for us to trim to make sense for my risk reward, but come on, push down, rip down. Keep ripping down.
Here comes low day for you. Here it comes.
Let's go straight down.
Here it comes. On board the push down express. 5, 4, 3,
If this works.
2, 1, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.009, 0.008, 0.007, 0.006, 0.005. 3, 2, 1, oh.
There, you can trim everyone if you want to take some risk off. It's not the best RR, but let's trim there at low day. Mover stops to entry. It's FOMC. No point playing around with this. There we go.
Non vi tienes a Nieves. Insano sto cosa perché
2-bar setup mixed with key levels. Bangers.
All right here's what I wanted to trim. So if you haven't trimmed it, 100% trim some right here. Oh.
Beautiful trade, boys.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, let's try this again for the live account traders on a real money poll.
Come on. I don't see why we need to pull back again. I'd like to see a nice move down here, everyone. Do not chase. If you're not in this trade, don't FOMO in. It's not worth it. Let's just let it play out for those that are in and show up tomorrow, see if we can catch another one after this. Come on. Push down. Nice. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. There we go.
Ooh, that candle looks great for you guys. Down too.
I got my stop in profits, everyone.
Yeah, the only reason I said it was risky, Bucky, is because of what the market was doing and it being FOMC day. On a typical full-size day where I rip it to the downside, I mean, I put more risk onto the downside. That's just, you guys know that's how I trade. I'm a little more cautious with prices moving up. I like trading the downside, so I'm a little more risk on. But you got what we see today, and sometimes that'll lead to chop and consolidation. So that's why I said it's a bit more risky. Nonetheless, executed well and got paid for it.
Final price target on this trade is 26,135. 26,135 is price target, but I will trim again in the 170s.
I took the shorts only because of the follow box, top of the follow box, which was to trade.
Yeah, watching. Yeah, I'm looking for the Asia. Sorry, Greg. I didn't realize you was talking.
It's okay.
Come on, push down to the 70s for us. There we go. Took one more trim off. I'm leaving runners, keeping my stop at right at that 26,200 on my runners.
One more there. Stop losing profit now.
There we go. Keep pushing down.
There we go, boys.
Trade will be over at Asia low, 26,135, or it will pull back and hit my stop at 26,200. That's how we do it on FOMC.
Nice trend.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
This is a textbook setup on that trade too. The high volume candle was a solid confirmation. What is that, 190? I moved my stops down to 190.
What you done?
Is anybody making any money with me this morning? Just curious. If we make a new high on this
Tradovate is
candle, I'll be out.
what a great morning. Price action.
Nice. Still in. If it breaks above this candle here, the previous candle, I'll be out though. Okay, trade's over for me, everyone. Made $661 this morning. Look at that. Literally, grab my stop. It better not go down. Can I explain the setup I took? Sure. Let's walk through it real quick. Basically looking for the trend down entry. The 15-minute range was in. We came back up. I stopped out of the first trade because I just didn't like what I was seeing. But once we got this candle here, where is it? The high volume candle. I simply was waiting on a retracement of that for a better risk to reward closer to that 15-minute range. Low stops were at the top of the wick on the high volume confirmation candle. Our risk was defined. We had confirmation in a key area, key level. We took the trade. Really simple setup.
I'm still in this trade.
CT, I'm glad you're having a good year, man. I do my best for you all.
We are still is anyone still in Don Quixotes? Because we just bounced the middle of this box.
I'm not in a trade, Greg.
I'm still in. See if we reach this middle of the box.
Yeah, we're definitely not taking any more trades today. Like, we locked in the money. We're good. Second green day of the week.
Guys are a live account.
On our lives. My third green day of the week.
That trade.
I gave you all one losing trade on Monday.
I may have a good
Well
one.
managed, but still.
I may have just got a nice re-up or something special.
That's awesome, actually. Says I'm definitely the most
Thank you, boys. Whoever
been
you
the most
trade
profitable since watching your
with.
lives.
EOD,
Love it.
in the post your game section.
But I guess I'll see you all in the morning. You're coming back, right? Oh wait, I got accounts to give away. I about forgot. Let me mute Team Bull. I have accounts to give away. Tradovate accounts, okay? So before I give them away, I need you to understand how to get these. You'll have to DM me on Instagram, okay? That's where I'll send you the code. So real quick. Who wants a Tradovate account? All right, Nick D in TikTok, you can have one. Let's see here. Let's YouTube. Let's see who's next. YouTube is the next pick. Why is it not updating my chat? There we go. Sorry, my chat was not working for me. Focal 7755. You can have one on Focal 7755 on YouTube. I didn't call it Instagram, did I? I got more to give away, so don't go anywhere, okay? Who was it that said they was first in YouTube earlier? I like that comment. I just lost it. D Money on TikTok, DM me. You can have one. I'm gonna give one more away. One more. feel like I've only gave men accounts today. Is there any ladies in here? All right. Brittany on TikTok. BRITN3E _ You can have one. All right, that's it. Okay. I'm just trying to make it fair. I'll have more tomorrow. More than likely, okay? It's not discrimination. I'm just trying to be fair. See you all in the morning, though. Nice trading today.